Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to play a video. So let's actually get started. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to copy this pause method that I created last time. I'm going to call it play. And literally we need to change really few things. Do you guys see where it says trigger pause? We're going to trigger play. And then video is pausing. We're going to change this to playing. And then I'm gonna make this, leave it the way it is, because there is actually not a method that it says dot played. It just there is dot paused. So literally what we're gonna check, if it's not paused, then we're gonna make it true. But in my condition, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. So I'm gonna check, is it paused? And I'm expecting a false because it's not paused. If I get a true, then I have a problem. So literally what you can actually type over there to make sense to yourself is this video paused, and then put a question mark and the answer will be in front of it, and the same idea over there. So let's actually run it and see what's gonna happen. And let's go to launch over here, and then I added the play method over there which I just created. So let's run it and see what will happen. Alrighty, so here's the video. It started. It starts automatically. It paused after 3 seconds. It will play again. Here you go. And it's good to go. Done. And if I go to my console, it says, is this video paused? True. And after the video is playing, is this video paused? That is equal false because now it's actually playing. So that's literally it for this tutorial. Pretty straightforward, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you have any questions, and I will also put the code on my website, so feel free to take it, adjust it, and play with it, and try to learn something from it. And also, if you have a creative idea, please feel free to share it in the comments below. Thank you so much and have a great day.